The introduction of new technologies in construction has disrupted the existing work processes of home builders. Traditionally, home builders are hamstrung by several challenges including multiple design changes in the permit stage, division of plots in the site plan, constructability issues, rework and material wastage, keeping the home design within budget. Pinnacle's BIM integrated workflow follows ISO 9001 to 2015 processes to eliminate cost overruns, delays, and expensive rework by providing constructible and code-compliant 3D models, accurate and detailed documentation, optimal material planning. At Pinnacle, we construct certainty with technology. With over the last 30-plus years of experience, our team of over 4,100-plus architects and engineers have completed more than 15,000-plus projects across 43-plus countries. Our services for home builders: 2D to 3D transition support, multiple design options, 3D visualizations and walkthroughs, accurate construction documents, rapid prototypes. Transition from 2D to 3D. We help clients seamlessly transition their entire design operations from 2D to 3D. The 3D platforms provide a realistic look and feel of the project and streamline communications between designers and stakeholders. Its benefits are: changes are easy to make, automated process for creating details and sections. The drawings are generated one from a single model, so any change is automatically updated in real time and reflected across all drawings. This consistency in drawings is a game changer for home builders. We create 3D models from hand sketches, schematic designs, redline markups, multiple design options. We use BIM to showcase multiple design options of the base model along with quantity takeoffs in a single interface. Quantity takeoffs are derived from the BIM model during the design stage to enable home builders to compare costs of different design options for material procurement. 3D visualizations and walkthroughs. We use BIM to offer a virtual tour of the proposed home with a detailed 360-degree view to home builders and buyers. Accurate construction documents with constructability review. We specialize in creating accurate construction documents from 2D sketches and schematic designs across design stages. We generate CD sets from 3D BIM models as per the client's standards. We ensure the CD sets are checked for constructability issues and aligned with international codes IRC, NEC, and FBC. Our CD sets include the following disciplines: structure, architecture, electrical, HVAC. Rapid prototypes. We can modify BIM models and generate 3D prototype plans, which can be used with 3D printers. 3D prototypes allow prospects to visualize the design and derive a better understanding of a project. Take a look what our client say about us. Adam Thomas says,
"The turnaround for the entire job was very quick, along with few corrections. At the end of the day the work was quick and accurate. Great service."
Cade Brummer says,
"Their responsiveness is assuring, and the quality and completeness of work is consistent with what our firm expects of all its employees."
Tony Decha Umpai says,
"Overall satisfaction is fantastic, and we appreciate working with you. Keep up the good work."
Optimize your construction processes at pinnacleinfotech.com.